When you're in Warsaw and you're feeling hungry, you have to come to Hala Koszyki. Now this is a massive food market. I'm going to go and take you through and show you all the amazing food you can get, all the bars and everything. Let's go and let's find out what it looks like inside. Here we go, we're going inside. So first off, you're greeted by the bar Portuguese. As you can see, it's a really cool building. We're gonna go straight through. You've got lots of seating area. It's coming up to just 12 o'clock, so this is quite early for this place. But as you can see, you got, oh that's cool, you got Indian food here, chana masala. You got, oh wow, you got those different things here. Fish Kerala. Amazing. You got, I think this looks like more like, yeah, it's Polish grill. Wow, Polish grill food. Amazing. We've got Italian gelato. Oh, okay, look at the size of these. Maxi King. You got all different flavors here. Wow, look at these. And where I can, I'll try and find out what the prices are for things around here. So let's have a look, see if I can see. So you got, oh, okay, so you can get one ice cream, like one scoop of ice cream there, for example, is 8.50, so 8 zloty 50. So at the minute, 10 zloty is 2 English pounds, so about €2.20. So it's less than £2 for a scoop of ice cream. We've got drive-through, which is looking like an American type of diner. It's really cool. Let's not forget down here as well. Look at the beautiful ceilings as well. You've got a gift shop here as well, so you can go and get all your different sort of mugs. You've got loads of different teas in there as well. Looks really cool. You've also got, it looks like a Portuguese like wine bar. Wow, that is cool. And these are, I don't know what these are called, but I know pastel de mata. I know these are really popular in Portugal. They're like really famous. So you've got this down here. So let's go back the other way. You've got 2 floors here as well. So let's go and show you what it looks like. I don't know if much is going on upstairs. I think upstairs, do you know what? Let's have a quick look upstairs. I think upstairs might be more for seating, which is good to know anyway. My love, I know in the Hala Koszyki. Don't know if you can hear that music. It only mean one thing. Alright, yeah, so this is, okay, yeah, cool. So it's basically loads of seating area. So I guess when you go and buy your food, you can either chill at the place, or if it's really busy, you can obviously come up here. Don't know if you can hear the music. It's quite a good little remix, this. Drake's Hotline Bling. So we come through here. Oh, I've actually been in this room before. So this looks like you can do, I think it's like a cooking class place. So you can do, yeah, this is like you can do your own cooking classes. That's really cool. Oh, I want to do one of them now. I'm just here in Warsaw on my own, so it feels a bit like I can't do it. Or maybe I could do, you could make friends. But yeah, this is cool. So Prakownia Amica. I'm sure if you type that in, you'll be able to find this place. And yes, if you wanted to do cooking classes while you're here in Warsaw, I've just found one for you. That's amazing. It looks like they're doing a bit of construction on the place around here, so I don't think there's much else around here. So what we'll do is we'll probably go back downstairs and yeah, go and have a little look at what else they've got. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really thirsty. So I've been filming lots of videos while I've been out here, like I say, in Warsaw, and yeah, I literally go home tomorrow, so I'm making as much as I can because I love this place. It's such a great place. So yeah, but yeah, look at this. Look, I don't know what this used to be. I think it definitely used to be something else, like somewhere they did like a trade from, I don't know what. But it could have been like it's definitely some sort of industry place. They used to produce something or whatever, and then they've obviously converted it into this, which is what they do. normally these days, which I really love. I love this sort of concept. But yeah, as you see, there's plenty of space to sit and, you know, eat food. Wow, smells good, brother. Smells very good. Oh wow, that smells so good. You got sushi here as well. So Kego sushi. I love sushi as well. Let's see if we can get any idea of prices. Okay, yeah, cool. So you can get eat and go quick sets. So you can get 6 of those and 6 of those for 49 zloty. So 50 zloty. So like £10 basically. And get paid a little bit more for a California set, which is cool. Again, you get 12 of those. 12 tuna, 12 salmon for 70 zloty. So it's like £14. So yeah. Sushi's never cheap really, because it's always been made really well. You've got this place here, Mango, which they do kebab wraps. That looks really nice. Vegan options, 35 zloty. That's not bad at all. That's not bad at all. It's about £7. And they do all different types of different hummus bowls. Wow, burgers, everything. They look like they do more like healthy stuff here, like in Mango. So you can check that out when you're here. And of course, you got the main bar there. And you've even got, oh, this is cool. You've got downstairs as well. You've got a supermarket, which looks really healthy. Oh, hang on a minute. Have they got downstairs as well? Oh, wow. Oh, okay. Right, I thought this was going to be a short video of this place, but it's not. But they got a supermarket here. Wow, look how fresh this place looks. This looks really good. Wow. Ah, the smell coming from here, it smells amazing. Literally, it looks so good. Avocados, you've got bananas, tomatoes. Look at the size of all this. Really good. Wow. Looks amazing. You got all your healthy jars here as well. More healthy. And I like it, they've all got it chilled. What's that? I don't know. Are they like some sort of... I'm not sure what that is. Let me know in the comments if you know what it is. Oh, they got coconut water. I'm going to have to get some... I'm actually going to have to buy one of these now. Because as I said to you, I'm really thirsty. I need to have a drink. But yeah, they've got loads of different things in here. So let me just buy this. And then we'll carry on. We got the little checkout here. I'm the only one in here, which is crazy. Hiya. You're right. Just want to get just a coconut water, thank you. It's nice. I like this place here. It's really cool.
My card?
Yes, please. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much.
You need to pick one or three.
Yeah.
One.
Oh, 1 or 3. Yeah, sorry. So yeah, when you're paying as well, you can either choose to pay in Polish or in your currency. So playing the zloty, I always play in zloty.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Okay, you have a good day. Yeah, I always play in a zloty instead of paying in your own currency, because you'll get a better exchange rate. So yeah, let's carry on. I've got this coconut water. Do you know what? Let's try it out. Do you want to try it out? I don't know if you like. I don't know why. Lots of people I know don't like coconut water for some reason, but let's try it out. Whoa. Yeah, that is nice. I'll tell you what then, let's go down and check. Oh no, that's the wrong escalators. Let's go around the other way. But yeah, that's really nice coconut water. The only thing it could use is maybe being a bit cooler. So let's see what you got down here. I don't have a clue what you got. But I've been in this place before only once, like I say, and it was packed. You know, and it's really good meeting point. If you want to come meet your friends, if you want to go on a date, you know, you've got all these different options when you're here. So I don't know what we got here. Oh, you got a holiday place. Oh, that's cool. So you got a travel agent, so you can book your next holiday. You can book wherever you want to go from the looks of things. Goa. Wow, different places. Some of these places I've never even heard of before, to be fair. Obviously you got like Gran Canaria, you got Lanzarote. I mean, you're talking what, 3,000 zloty to go to Gran Canaria. I think it's for a week. What's that going to be? So that would be about, I think it's like £600. That would be. That's not too bad. It's not too bad. But you got a spa here as well. I won't go into spa because you know what that's about. It's doggy. Hello, doggy. I won't go and stroke him because bless him. He's waiting for his owner. Oh, this is it really. Okay, so there's not too much more down here. That's just where you go and pay. So they've got a car park here as well. I want to go and say hello to the dog. I won't know, just in case he bites. Just in case. I'm sure he doesn't. I'm sure he's a good dog. But yeah, so you come back up again. But yeah, this is just a really quick overview just to show you somewhere else that you can come when you're here in Warsaw. Like I say, this is open like until late at night, so you can come here, have your dinner here, have some drinks, catch up with your friends, say go on a Tinder date, you know, or just treat your girlfriend to a nice place to come to. And yeah, I hope you've enjoyed checking this out. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you're new, drop a comment, drop a like, say hello, and let me know if you enjoyed this video. I've got plenty more videos, so go and check more of them out on Warsaw. I've got videos in Thailand, I've got videos in Turkey, and yeah, I hope you're part of the Moon World Travels family now. Take care, all the best.